Hi everyone, this is Sandy. Welcome back to Easy Cooking. So today I'll show you how to make a delicious coffee and banana shake, which is perfect to start your day with tons of energy. I hope you like it. So for this drink, we only need 5 ingredients. So the main ingredient for this shake is the banana, and you want the banana to be kind of ripe, so you won't need to add any extra sugar. We also need milk, we need oats, coffee, and you can also add a coffee creamer if you want to. And we're going to add all the ingredients into the blender. There goes the banana cut in chunks, and we will also add in 1 cup of milk. I'm using almond milk, but feel free to use whatever kind of milk that you prefer. And we will also add in the oats, and we will also add in 1 tablespoon of coffee creamer. Like I said, the creamer is optional, you can skip it if you want to. Then we're going to add in the coffee, and I added about 2 tablespoons of coffee, but the coffee is to taste. You can add more or less if you want to. And I'm using this coffee, it's from a brand called Senatura, and about 6 months ago my nutritionist removed all coffee from my diet because the coffee was upsetting my stomach really badly. It was giving me gastritis and inflammation and really upsetting my stomach really bad. But coffee is my guilty pleasure and I couldn't stop drinking it. So I searched and then I found this one, and it doesn't cause any pain and it doesn't give me any gastritis, so I stick to it. I really recommend it. And then you can also add some ice if you want to. It's kind of cold over here, so I'm not going to be adding any ice. Now we're going to blend everything on high until everything is nice and smooth, and that's about it. It's perfect for when you are on a hurry and you don't have time to have a proper breakfast. So I hope you can give it a try. Enjoy. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.